So I've had the Canon 760D for about a week or so now, and today I want to show you a bit more info about this camera. So join me as I share the capabilities and real-life experiences using the 760D camera. The Canon 760D gives you fantastic detail in your image and also really vibrant colours as well. So right off the bat, the Canon 760D grabs your attention with its sleek design and solid body. It fits comfortably and the controls are just where you want them, but the only thing I would say is because the camera body is a lot smaller, and when you have a big lens on the camera, your fingers can rub up against the camera lens, so it can make your fingers ache just a little bit. So that's the only downside about it, I would say, on this camera. But apart from that, the camera quality is fantastic and everything about it is good, but I'll get into all of that stuff a bit later on in the video. And my favourite thing about this camera is the flippy screen and the LCD touchscreen, so it makes it feel like you're using your phone in a way. And with it having a flip screen, it comes in really handy for selfies and also comes in handy for when you're doing YouTube videos, as you can see yourself in the screen like I can see myself now using this camera that we're talking about. And also, since we're talking about the topic of video, this camera does a fantastic job at capturing full HD video. And guess what? This camera isn't all about taking fantastic pictures. It's also great for taking full HD video as well. So this camera's got your back while you can explore new horizons. Oh, the joy of sharing. Thanks to Wi-Fi, your camera can beam your captures straight onto your smartphone. And also, while I'm on this topic, I have a little short video showing you exactly how you can get your photos from your camera onto your smartphone. Using the Canon 760D, you can take really fantastic self-portraiture photos of yourself using Wi-Fi, and you can do this by using the Canon Connect app, and that way once you connect it you can see on your phone yourself, so you can focus it and everything on your phone. And that app is called the Canon Connect app. So if you try that out, I'm sure you won't be disappointed. It's a really fantastic app and you can see yourself on the app and you can pose and then have a picture taken of yourself, and you can always make sure that you're perfectly in focus, and it's really good. So I really think that you should try that out. And also I can do a video in the future showing you exactly how you can do this. So if you want me to do a video like that in the future, let me know down in the comments below. So in the world full of cameras, the Canon 60D is more than just a gadget. It's a trusty sidekick that you can take on your creative journey. Its image quality, touch-friendly features, and its sturdy build are here to turn your photographic dreams into a reality. Whether you're freezing moments in time, capturing visual stories, or simply just having fun, the Canon 760D is your ticket to capturing life's beauty in all its glory. So if you're not already a subscriber, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you're notified on my next video. But for now, I hope you enjoyed, and if you have any comments, put them down in the comments below, and I'll see you in my next video. And remember, keep clicking and keep creating. Bye for now.